So now I will be explaining and discussing to you the performance assessment that I've also learned a lot in the entire semester. So, as we all know that a performance assessment is also known as an alternative and also known as the authentic assessment because it is a form of testing that requires students to perform a task rather than to select an answer from a ready-made list. So, effective performance assessments really allows students to apply knowledge to solve a problem or to really demonstrate a skill. And when students understand the criteria for a success with a learning task and apply those criteria as they work, research shows that their performance and their achievement increases. So, this kind of assessments measures how well students really apply their knowledge, skills, and abilities to authentic problems. So the key feature is that it really requires the students to produce something such as report, experiment, or performance. So as a future teacher, I know that performance assessment is really the most authentic kind of assessment to be given by the students because it also helps them to really perform and give their best in all their performance tasks that we will be given to them. So it can be used to engage students in a meaningful learning, since rich performance tasks establish authentic context than reflect. So genuine applications of knowledge, students are often motivated and engaged by such real world challenges. So a performance assessment affects learning as well as teaching. So students are more motivated to learn and are more engaged with project-based tasks than with other types of assignments. The example of the performance assessment is that it includes composing a few sentences in an open-ended short response, and also developing a thorough analysis in an essay, and also conducting a laboratory investigation and creating a portfolio of a student work, and also completing an original research paper. So for me, I've picked this chapter because I've learned a lot of the performance-based assessment that as a future teacher, I will be also giving them a kind of assessment that really improves the skills of the students. This kind of assessment, which is performance-based assessment, really helps students to get out of their beautiful shell and experience on how to really see their individual abilities and skills that may also be able to hone in the entire semester that we will be doing on the future field of in the teaching profession. So I know that a performance assessment really helps them to envision the kind of performance that they will be doing, and giving them a creative and innovative output